This pre-sale meme coin has 100x potential, has taken the internet by storm, and taken over the crypto space. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host, Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive on this very popular pre-sale gem called Dogeverse. Before we start the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below as we deep dive on Dogeverse, as this is your last chance to load up a bag, as this project is going live in 8 days, and it's absolutely insane. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So your last chance to buy, the pre-sale is ending in 8 days and 6 hours at the time of recording this video. They raised over $15 million, and you can buy it on ETH, USDT, and 6 other different chains. You can also buy using card, which is super awesome. So Dogeverse, the world's first chain traveling Doge. They have the white paper, their audit. What is this token? Doge goes multi-chain. Buy and claim Dogeverse on any of the following chains. We see ETH, Binance, Polygon, AVAX, Base, and also Solana. So Cosmo, the hopping Doge, and they have a whole origin story of Cosmos, how he's traveling through the interstellar chains of the multiverse, bringing Doge to 6 stellar chains. Super awesome story. You can pause and read or go to the website, which I'll link in the description below. All right, it's been featured on a ton of different articles and blogs, which is great. It has multi-bridge technology. Cosmos adored little face of the first meme coin to grace 6 of the most active blockchains outside of Bitcoin. The Dogeverse tokens will be launched on Ethereum, Binance, Polygon, Solana, AVAX, and Base. Utilizing superior bridging technology, Dogeverse will be seamlessly multi-chain in just a few clicks. Now, what they're essentially done is they took a very popular meme coin like Dogecoin, and then they got some utility to make it unique, and in this case it's a multi-chain, being one of a kind, just different positioning in the market. Now again, guys, these pre-sale gems have crazy upside potential. Even on this channel past, we've seen crazy W's. Most recently we saw Solana, which pre-sale ended, I want to say that earlier this month. We can see when it went live, it went absolute berserk. It had a pullback, which happens to every pre-sale coin, but pumps again, pullback again, setting up for another pump. They're on centralized exchange listings. They're doing collaborations. They're doing everything right. And we imagine the similar thing is going to happen with Dogeverse as well. That's why we're really promoting this project and taking a look at it so closely, right? We can see they have over 37,000 followers. They have like these competitions. They're collaborating with other projects as well. It looks like this was with Coin Poker and Hugging Green Candles. Centralized exchange listings looks like it's coming to HTX very soon. So big news. The whole point is these pre-sale gems absolutely crushed. And if you want to make a solid bag, you need to get in early. And Dogeverse is just that opportunity. They have a solid roadmap in place with 5 different phases. Website goes live, contract gets written, social channels are born, development, the awareness, so marketing campaigns, CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko applications, phase 4 expansion, first DEX tool upgrade, Bird's IV update, and then phase 5, first centralized exchange listing, continue marketing, and then community incentives. Now they're very big on building the community, which they built a respectable sized community so far, and then the exchange listings are going to make this project continue to pump. The whole thing here is we want to get in early on these projects so we make a bag, and that's exactly what we're seeing with happening with these pre-sale gems. Is you see a project that has a promising future, you get in early and you make a bag. As it goes live, a lot of attention happens. Yes, there will be a pullback, so you got to play, exit correctly. But again, once we get DEX listings and centralized exchange listings, it will just cause this puppy to pump more and more. So again, very bullish on this project. We see the tokenomics looking pretty decent. Pre-sale allocation, staking, project funds, liquidity, market, ecosystem fund, and exchange. Very simple how to buy types, guys. Connect your wallets, select the network, buy tokens, claim on chain, and then bridge or swap. If you need help buying, join their official Discord, but again, or their Telegram. But just be careful. Just beware of scammers. All right. Not only that, guys, but it also has staking as well. So welcome to Dogeverse staking. The distribution of Dogeverse tokens will occur at the rate of 6,088 Dogeverse per Ethereum block, and will be distributed over 2 years. Current APY is currently at 49%. Has dynamic range staking. You're not going to want to miss out on it. They're growing rapidly fast. We can see socials are growing great. Over 22,000 followers over on X, and growing a community, really engaging in the whole meme coin mix of things, which is great. Even on Telegram, they've built a massive community, over 13,000 people. Now, if you want to buy a bag, guys, I'm going to link this project in the description below. It's going live in just a couple days, so this is your absolute last chance to buy. Again, none of this is financial advice, so it's your own research and due diligence, but I'm super bullish on this project. I've loaded up a bag myself. The community's loading up. There's been a ton of whale buy-ins, so this one's looking very exciting, very bullish. Let me know if you're gonna load up a bag. Comment down below if you are. That wraps up the video, and until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.